For this video, gagawa tayo ng original version ng Maja Blanca. So these are the ingredients. 2 cups cornstarch, 2 cups white sugar, 2 cups cocoa milk, first extraction, yung unang gata. Then we have 5 cups of cocoa milk, second extraction, pangalawang gata. 1 cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of evaporated milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a cup of sweet corn in a can. So first step to do, i-pour lang natin ang ating 5 cups of cocoa milk sa ating pot. Then after that, pwede natin ilagay yung sweet corn, ang ating milk, evaporated milk, at ang ating condensed milk. Ang ating 2 cups of sugar, ilagay na rin natin. At of course, a teaspoon of vanilla. Then, mix lang. Turn on. Dapat medium flame lang. That's it. At i-mix lang natin until mag-melt na yung sugar natin. And let's just wait for a while and bring it to a boil. Alright, so makikita natin na nagbo-boil na ang ating mixture, which means we are ready to pour our cornstarch and first extraction cocoa milk. I-add lang natin slowly. And then, of course, dapat i-mix natin immediately kasi nag-start na siyang nagbuo-buo. Continue stirring until the exact consistency is achieved. And this is the consistency that we are looking for sa ating Maja Blanca. So continue lang sa pag-stir. Then after that, we can turn off the flame and pwede nating i-transfer sa ating molder. Alright, i-spread lang natin all over the area. And I top it with salted peanuts, but you can also use a cheese para yung balance ng sweetness at ng saltiness ng cheese ay tamang-tama. There you have it, our finished product, Maja Blanca. Thank you for watching. Again, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more new videos. See you again. Bye-bye.